The attorney for shooting suspect Curtis Reeves is already raising self-defense as a possible defense in this case. A lot of people are talking about how Florida's stand your ground law might just apply here. Sheriff Chris Nacco, though, says it does not. 8 on Your Side reporter Mark Douglas continues our team coverage with a look into those issues.
Is this a stand your ground case?
I think whoever defends him is going to have an uphill battle, that's for sure.
No, this is not a stand your ground, from what we know.
I think ultimately it will probably be a self-defense issue and not a stand your ground.
Florida's stand your ground law does not give anyone a license to kill, especially not in a movie theater when the suspect brings a gun to a popcorn fight, which is basically what the police report implies in this case.
You would have to have some overt threat, some deadly force, some type of weapon pulled, something that would justify the use of deadly force. Throwing popcorn at somebody is not the use of deadly force.
2 years ago, defense lawyer Jay Hebert wanted to use the stand your ground defense. It was for tow truck operator Donald Montanez, who shot an angry car owner. Hebert ultimately argued self-defense at trial, and he still lost. He thinks the Reeve case would be even harder to defend.
The key question for the jury will be, was he justified in the use of deadly force?
Defense lawyer Doug Breyer did win Pinellas County's first stand your ground defense victory. His client in that case was George Peffley, who fought with another man in Peffley's apartment.
And he ended up stabbing him a couple of times.
But Breyer says the Reeves case is different.
Just on its face, I think this sounds like obviously there was more of an overreaction here, more so than stand your ground.
Defense lawyer Roger Futerman says there are countless questions about Reeves' state of mind, what the witnesses saw, and what the state can prove. But it's not looking good.
On its face, he's got a tough time ahead to argue self-defense from what I see.
So far, defense lawyers can't even convince a judge to let Curtis Reeves out of jail while he awaits trial. I'm Mark Douglas, News Channel 8.
And to keep up with this story between newscasts, you will find up-to-date information on WFLA.com.